Good morning, everybody. I had a big problem this morning. I was in there uploading the video for the alerts, and my internet went out. And when and it sucked because I was able to get one play in, um, and I was able to get one play in, and I didn't do very, the best, But anyways, the we're gonna go over the alerts I gave. Um, And like any other time, I mean, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. This is just for education purposes only. You make your own choices whenever you do any type of trading or financial trades or anything like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look out. This is the alerts I kind of gave for this morning. We're going to see which ones worked out, which ones didn't. This is live right now. You can see as we're recording right now. And down here, the date, time and everything like that. But anyways, one of them was AMKR. This is still in this. It isn't out of play yet. This was a short to open up below the 660 mark, which it did. We're on a 10-minute chart. We'll just kind of zoom it in here, and it opened up. It opened up at 649. But right now it's still, I don't know. It's been the volume just really low. I don't know if I'd play it, but the volume's low. But it is starting to get to this area. I mean, it's 3 cents off. Probably, well, time I'm done with this video, we'll see. But I'm not gonna jump in on this play. It's because the volume's so low. It just take out. I mean, so this one's still, the alert's still good. It just ain't. And if they don't touch these marks, I don't play them. So we'll move on to this one. Really worked out really good. It actually did a lot better than what I thought. It did exactly what I thought. It'd come in, and we wanted to open up above the 26.21 area, which if you look up in here, whenever I put it on the screen candle, it opened up right at 26.21. And what do we want? We want at 26.21. You can go back and look at the video that I uploaded, and you can look at the time, the date. Even though I think I uploaded it, it's a little bit after because I'd restart everything, but this thing played in perfectly. The target price was 26.74, and we're on a 10-minute chart. I don't never really do anything underneath, 5 minutes. I'll do a minute if I want to break something down and actually start looking at it. But this one played out perfect. A lot, to be honest with you, it went higher than what I really expected. But that's part of it. I mean, these are just priced off levels. The volume and everything does a lot better. But the sell price, 26.74, and actually it only went down. We have like 20-cent stop loss on this. I usually go about 1%. Anything under $10, I'll go 10 to 12 cents, most on the stop loss. So the stop loss on this would have been 20. Let's see what 26.11. So we didn't even really come close to that. So and it went all the way up, and hit target price, 26.74, and actually went higher up to 27.13. So I mean, this one missed out. I mean, it did exactly what it. I mean, you can always move your stop loss up, and your sell price at the target. Once I'll make a video on how these plays work out and exactly what to do, what the marks are, and everything like that. And the game plan on all of them. So this one worked out. This is a plus. This is a definite money maker. The CYOU. This one never made it into play. This was supposed to be a short. Come up, bounce off the 969 area, or open up below it, bounce off of it, and come down to the target price at 950. This actually opened up below the 950s. This one just didn't work out. It didn't come into play, so this is just it didn't hit none of our levels at time we wanted, so this one's out. It's a no play. We're gonna go ahead and remove these lines. The and I don't know why this thing ain't letting me. There it goes. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one out of there. Now it wasn't a winner or a loser; it just was a no play. The D, this one, I thought I had this on my list, but anyways, the what it was expected to do, and I kind of thought this one was going to do a little bit better. Open up above the 254 mark, come into it, bounce off, and our first profit was going to be 335, which didn't do it. So then the second profit, I really thought this one was going to do it, but the volume just never picked up. If the volume would have came in, I think it really would have really did good. This was a good profitable one. But this one didn't do it. Once now it opens up below here. It's a no play. This one's out of play. So it's not a winner or a loser. So it's no play. So we're going to go and take this one off here. This one really did really good. The like I said earlier, anything under $10, I'll give 10, maybe 12 cent stop. It all depends. But this one right here is the OTLK. It opened up. You can see up here, we wanted to open up above the 642 mark, which it did. It opened up at 672, went down to 631. So it did trigger the buy alert right here. The 631. It all depends if you would go 10, 12 cents. If you want 10, I think they would have got stopped on this, and that'd been 10 cents. So it'd be a 632. The low on it was 631. So I didn't get on this, and my internet was mixed up. But if you would have got in on it and you would have given it more than a 10 cent, you would have definitely hit the price mark at this 694. This one went a high of 695. You can see it at the top right here. Whenever I put it over this candle, so it did hit it right there. I mean, it was right. This one was right on the money. I mean, just bam. And this is all set up and everything. So that is that one was not that wasn't a loss. It was as a money maker, profitable one. Then we'll go down to the OLT outlook, OTLK. This one, it went in play, but it didn't hit the price target. You can always move your price target. This one, it opened up. This is a 10-minute. It opened up at 293. Didn't come down, hit our entry point at 276 until the second candle. And if you would, it opened up at 290. The went as low as 266. Our buy was 276. As long as you gave it more than 10 cents, between 10 12 cents, you've been all right. Just the only thing you've done is that you kind of watch it. You can always pull this down, or your profit target. You can always kind of move it down. It all depends on the volume. But once I'll go over kind of another video. But on this, okay, so what we have, this one right here, just because it didn't hit our price target doesn't mean that it was a loss. because we could have, took profit, just a few cents shorter, so um, let's see, this one, I just don't, this one's supposed to be a short, so um, they're just moving so slow, the volume. I think it'll probably make it, but I'm not going to get into it, this AMKR. Um, it's supposed to hit this, we're expecting it to hit this 660, then come down and take profit at 640. Like I said before, I am a 2-to-1 guy. If I risk 10 cents, I want 20 cents profit target. If I remain 10 cents stop loss, so this is this one I wouldn't play it. It just I guess we're starting to. It's really what have we got, our volume here next 7,000. So it don't even look like it's going to make it. It's something like this I might break down to. Let's see what it's doing like on a 5-minute. 5-minute has two dojis right there. Well, that might be a 3 doji. And as you can tell, it's on a this are starting to get upside down, like an inverted doji, and this one just a flat out. So as you can see, this one's inverted. So I mean, if it's opened up here, it could, with the bottoming tail, but it just right here, this kind of confirmed that right there. So this one ain't gonna make it. We see, I'm break it down to a 1-minute chart, and we'll actually zoom in and look at it. And see this one, with all these dojis, there's just no volume there. This one's I'm gonna take this one out of play. So this one never made it into play, so it's not a winner or a loser. Not all of these is not gonna hit just all of them. That's why there's several. I mean, you kind of take your pick on which one you like. So let's see what we have. So the big lots. This one was really good. This was a profit. It wasn't a loser. The EOTK did it was a winner. I hit our marks, and this one I'm not gonna say this one's a winner or loser. So we had 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think. Yeah. I got my list over here and I got my screen. So I'm always, plus I've got another couple more trades going on. So this one, it came down to hit everything. It just didn't hit its price target. But it came close. I mean, we kind of always broke it down to a 1 minute, see what it is actually doing. This, if I would have seen like breaking this down right in here and seen these red candles on this 1 minute, I probably would have lowered my, went ahead and took it out, at least something, just because this has started to show a weaker, it starts to show a sell-off. So this one was a neutral. So we have 2 out of 3 neutral. I thought I had one on here was a CYOU. What was that one? That one. Yeah, that was supposed to be. Yeah, that's supposed to be a short. Yeah, I think I had that one. We already went through that one. So this one was a no play. So pretty much, we didn't have no losers. Just the only bad thing is my internet went down, but I already had one order in. I think I made like 40 bucks. So it just didn't. Time I got everything restarted and everything. But hey, I appreciate it. Hope you guys made some profit off this. I want to make a video on how all this stuff breaks down, exactly what to look for. Please subscribe if you don't mind. It'll be over in this corner down here. Hit this subscribe button. Next video should be somewhere up in here. And please hit, to subscribe, and so we can make this a live channel, so we can do this every morning, so we can take some money and make some money in this market. And these are pretty simple trades. I mean, usually I don't uh, like. I mean, I'll get into some of these larger stocks. I mean, they're just as good. It just kind of takes a little more into account, but you can definitely profit really good on these. The only ones I don't like is the penny stocks that are real volatile. I mean, I don't. If it's, be honest with you, if it's just gonna be one of them that come out and spikes up and drops back down as fast, I mean, I'm not interested in them. Them just pretty much just that just the real volatile ones. I mean, that's just not my type of trading. I just I just don't. That just didn't work for me ever. So I like a little bit more playtime in it, more action in it, than instead of just a sudden, all of a sudden you got to get in, you got to get out to the right spot, to make money. It's just that was just that fast, penny stocks. Those ain't those. I just don't trade them. Um, but anyways, I mean, I trade the ones that kind of you can sit there and watch them kind of go in and out, and so you can actually control it a little bit. So your profits, and if you have to move your stops or anything. But the anyways, okay, I'm gonna jump off here. And if you have any questions, please leave the comments down below. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get the alerts. I sent the one I got this morning. The alerts, they were a little bit late just because my internet went down, but you can actually see in the time, and the date and everything up there that was in there. That was giving alerts, on all the stocks, before the market actually opened. I just didn't upload because it's all messed up. But anyways, hey, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. I hope you guys took some profit, made some money, and I'll talk to you next time. Thank you.